Hi guys, welcome back to 24 Ninja. We are finally back again. So today we're going to be unveiling the story about the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So finally the prototypes have been leaked once again. I feel like right now everybody expects it to be like an annual ritual of leaking of phones because the images keeps on coming up before the phones are released. So the leaks comes from courtesy of All About Samsung, where we get a proper glimpse of both devices side by side for the first time. Bear in mind that these are supposed to be prototypes, but they are very close to what the final product will be. Therefore, don't really leave a great deal of wonder left about what we can look forward to. So basically, it's going to look like the same. So, but maybe the internal specs might be different. We get a nice close-up look at what we can expect on both the front and the back of the devices, with the bezels being snipped even further away, looking very cool to my own opinion. Although not much has some renders seen prior, as that punch hole camera cut out, or the notch is clearly seen on the phone, as you can see right now. Not that this needs to be said, what we are looking at here are the prototypes for the 6.1 inch Samsung Galaxy S10 and the 6.4 inch Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and we can instantly see the differences in that punch hole display camera cutout. Clearly, the Samsung S10 Plus has a dual camera notch, whereas the Samsung 10 has a single dot camera hole, which may help you to make your purchase decision if that fatter peel like shape annoys you. Although the back has both cameras support triple camera setup, which is nice to see. We expect that the S10 and S10 Plus will have at least in the rear camera array, whereas the front camera from the Plus model clearly has an extra lens for depth sensing. One major inclusion that I think will keep audio fans happy is the inclusion of the headphone port, and at the bottom it's such a sore point for many that Samsung is slowly becoming the only champion for the outgoing input port, even though we still don't have a decent replacement. Bluetooth headphones and USB-C are not yet good enough across the board, in my opinion. There's also a downward firing speaker at the opposite sides of the headboard. Disappointing, but a massive problem, as Samsung Galaxy Note 9 has shown that the downward firing speaker and earpiece work well for clear audio. The colors we get to see are supposed ceramic black and ceramic white. I don't know what white. Who buys a phone that is white nowadays? With that off-white color looking really striking when it catches the light. There are rumors that we might even see more colors options for the S10 models come release day. What are your initial thoughts so far? Do you like the design, the colors? Let us know in the comment section below. And remember to subscribe, guys. Bye.